Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Hubitat rule engine after database reset step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Hubitat elevation hub. Connect your hub to a power source and ensure it is turned on. Open your web browser and enter the IP address of your Hubitat hub. Log into the Hubitat interface using your credentials. Navigate to the Settings tab located in the left menu. Scroll down and select Backup and Restore. Choose the Restore Previous Backup option. A list of available backups will appear. Select the most recent backup before the database reset. Confirm your selection to start the restoration process. Wait for the system to complete the restoration. Once finished, navigate back to the Rule Engine section in the main menu. Review each of your previously created rules to ensure they are intact. Make any necessary adjustments or modifications to the rules as needed. Test each rule to confirm they are functioning properly. If any rules are missing, you may need to recreate them manually. To avoid future issues, consider scheduling regular backups. Your Hubitat rule engine should now be fully restored and operational. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.